What's happening, good people? I go by the name Phoenix Flame for God Level Beats, and today I'm back with a new tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to get your log drums knocking, and this is the only tutorial that you ever need in your life to get your log drums hitting hard. So let's play what I have right now, then I'm gonna show you the process. Yes, so what you need to do, you need the new plugin by FL Studio called the frequency splitter. So after opening the frequency splitter, what you do, you take it to 96 dB. Then I already did this before. These are my bass channels. So what you do is you will sidechain your log drum to these three channels, then namely low, mid, high. So just like here, then low, mid, high. From there, what you need to do is let's play this. Is just solo the log drum. Let's solo the log drum real quick. You can see it's separated. You can mute this. What I like to do is start with my mid frequencies. I want them to hit more, so what I usually use is the blood overdrive. Start it on drive. Then come to your high frequencies. Use the first distort. It gives it that thump. So for the final touch up, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. You're gonna add Camo Crusher. It's free, totally free. Or you have an alternative, which is where's that plugin? Saturation knob. Let's start with that one first. They're free. This is a free plugin. All you have to do is to create an account with it, then you're good to go. Without it, no, what am I doing? With it, my personal favorite is the Camo Crusher. Let's do a quick A-B without, with, Let's put it in a song. And that's how you get your log drums to hit hard. Stay creative, guys. Let's get it. 2021, more tutorials, new softwares to explore. Let's get it.